So the next big mistake that a lot of people make when they're cutting their own hair is using very difficult and convoluted guideline sequences when they're cutting their own hair. And what I mean by this is that whenever you're going in to cut your own hair, you have a structured plan of how you're going to accomplish that. And so a good plan that I would recommend, and I'm going to show you guys later on, you'll see it in the self haircuts. I'll also show you in written down steps exactly how I like to have my sequences. So there's pretty much two sequences that I do for my haircuts, right? Whether it's fading and just putting in the guidelines in general. So what I'll do is for all of the guidelines, just to keep everything simple, right? When it comes to self haircuts, it's hard enough, right? It's difficult enough to cut your hair. So what can I adjust to simplify the entire process, all right? There's a reason why all the guards go half, 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a reason why they all go in sequential order, because that's how you're supposed to use them, all right? Now, what do I do for my sequences? I'll give you guys the two right now, and then I'll show you in more detail in a different video. Whenever you're putting in a guideline, which is, usually like a 1/2 inch to 1 full inch guideline. So I'm going up about 1 inch, and then I'm putting on the next guard, and I'm going up another 1/2 inch, putting on the next guard, going up 1/2 inch, etc. Right? Every time I put in a new guideline, the lever stays open. All right? It stays open. And then I'm going in, and I'm going either, depending on the type of haircut that I'm doing, just as an example, I'm going to show you. I'm going 1/2 guard as the first guideline, 1 guard as the second guideline, 1.5 guard as the third guideline, number 2 guard as the fourth guideline, and then number 3 guard as the 5th and final guideline, right? I'm not going number 3 guard and then to the 1/2 guard and then back to the 2 guard and then down to the 1.5 and then back to the 3 guard and then back to the 1 guard. I'm not convoluting any weird type of sequence that's going to make it difficult, and then I'm going to get confused while I'm cutting my own hair, and I'm going to look at my haircut and I'm going to say, where am I? What was I just doing? What's the next step? Right? You look at your notes and you're like, what is all this? Right? Don't convolute it. It's simple. There's a reason why the guards are literally numbered 1/2, 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? There's a reason they go in sequential order, because that's the way you're supposed to utilize them. Simplify. Remember. All right? So guidelines, always lever open. That's what I teach everybody. Always use the lever open for the guidelines. Now, when you start to fade, lever becomes halfway and closed. So it can be either both. I use the lever halfway and closed, or I just use it closed. So it really depends on where I'm at in my head if I feel like I need to use the lever halfway. But most of the time, you'll see me use the 1/2 guard with the lever closed, right? The 1/2 guard will always be lever closed. And then I'll always use the 1.5 guard lever closed. Sometimes I will use it with the lever open or halfway. And then sometimes with the 1/2 guard, I will go back and use it lever open or halfway. And that's typically just when I'm detailing any of the rest of the hard line. So again, go in sequential order with the guards. I'll show you guys in more detail in another video. I have PDFs as well with this stuff. And then always when you're putting in the guideline, lever is open. When you're fading, lever is halfway or closed, or both.